Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Responding to a need for protecting life, safety, and security, Von Duprin was the first inventor of the touch bar exit device. Located in Indianapolis, Indiana, Von Duprin offers the widest range of exit devices, with over 100 years investing in innovation and custom solutions to fit customers' needs, producing mechanical and electrified products. As the nation's premier exit device manufacturer, Von Duprin devices are designed to be flexible, accommodate various door applications, environmental situations, and building types. Custom solutions are provided with Von Duprin products for a durable, long-lasting opening that will endure through the harshest conditions. Realizing you have unique requirements, Von Duprin offers concealed vertical cable systems, quiet latch retraction, classroom security, or multi-latch products that will work today and into the future. We have evolved our product offering to support applications found in high-traffic areas such as schools, hospitals, and office buildings. Von Duprin goes beyond meeting ANSI standards to setting and raising the bar for quality and performance. Von Duprin exit devices are engineered to install correctly the first time and easy to maintain, reducing the cost of service. That's why we have invested in dynamic engineering solutions, strict manufacturing practices, and rigorous product testing. Von Duprin places a strong emphasis on customer service and offers products that protect you and your customer. To learn more about Von Duprin's products, visit its website at vonduprin.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.